Hi, and welcome to Low Carb Cocktails. I'm Frank, the Low Carb Cocktail Guy. If this is your first time here, please consider subscribing, because I think we make good drinking buddies. You know, with this red tide, we'll stick around and see how we make this. Today we're continuing on to Tiki 2021. If you can't tell, with Tiki Bob right here hanging out. So, like my last video, matter of fact, my last two videos, I'm kind of paying respect to a local Tiki, I don't want to call him a Tiki god, but he's a Tiki god. You know, he's one of the top Tiki historians in the country, if not the world, Jeff Berry, Beachbum Berry himself. And he has a Tiki bar here in Louisiana, in New Orleans. I've tried to go to, but apparently you need reservations. And I got there shortly after they opened and they didn't have reservations for 3 hours. So didn't get to go that day. So I need to really get there and try some of his amazing cocktails rather than trying them myself here. I want to see how he makes them, and I want to taste those amazing flavors that he builds himself. But enough about that. Let's try to make his cocktails low carb. And this one is called the Red Tide. This is a spin on maybe a Bacardi Cocktail or a Shrunken Skull. I'll leave a link below for Beachbum Berry's books. You can pick them up on Amazon. Affiliate link. Thank you very much. So we're going to go ahead and get started this. So in our small tin, we're going to add 1 ounce of a gold Jamaican rum. So we have Appleton Estates Signature Blend. It's a gold Jamaican rum. We're going to add 1 ounce of that. We're going to add a three quarter ounce of lime juice, some fresh squeezed lime juice. And this is going to be just under 2 grams of carbs. I think it's like 1.75. I'll have the exact number in the description below. 3/4 ounce of lime juice. And grenadine. I love me some 3-ingredient cocktails. Man, those are the best kind. You know, 1, 2, 3, bang, you're done. Delicious cocktails. So we do a 1/2 ounce of grenadine. Low carb, the best thing you can possibly find is Monin's sugar-free pomegranate syrup. Actually, I like it better than some of those market grenadines that you find. So we're going to do a 1/2 ounce of this. And a 1/2 ounce. And that's it. We're going to shake this with ice, strain it in a coupe glass. So we'll add some ice to our large shaker. Give this a really hard shake. Like I said, if you watch my other Tiki videos over the last 2 years, you've seen that I'm doing a lot of Donna Beachcomber, a lot of Trader Vic's, and I really need to give credit where credit's due. The guy who's carried a lot of this Tiki on nowadays is Beachbum Berry, so that's why I really wanted to do several of his cocktails this year. So in a chilled cocktail glass, we're going to strain our ingredients, and we're actually going to go with a double strain. That's such a pretty drink. Now, I've had the Bacardi Cocktail, which has similar ingredients in a slightly different ratio, which I really, really like. So we'll see how this turns out using the gold Jamaican rum instead of the Bacardi Superior. And so let's go ahead and see how this goes. Oh, man. That's really, really good. But man, it's a nice sour hint to it, whereas the Bacardi Cocktail is kind of really sweet. This brings a nice tart, almost sour flavor to the top side of it. Let's go ahead and throw a garnish on there. Let's go ahead and get ourselves a lemon wheel. And there you have Beachbum Berry's Red Tide. Man, that's absolutely delicious. Probably should have made 2 of those. This is so good. Probably should have made 2 of these.